Right, so another quick video of a deadfall trigger, a log deadfall trigger. Now, I got this out of a book again, Trapper's Bible. It's probably in various other books, and it's very similar to other trap triggers I've seen in numerous books. It doesn't look it, but essentially it is kind of a Siberian deadfall, but it's a figure 4 deadfall at the same time. But it's just the top two, that top one and the bottom one, are a bit more upright. Now, the actual trigger stick, the cross one, if you made the notch there longer, that would essentially just become a type of figure 4. But because it's bunched up, it doesn't look like one. But essentially that's what it is. Kind of a Siberian figure 4 type trigger. Made out of square wood, so like battens. It could be made out of round wood. But this is the kind of thing you'd make this, make a load of them and take them out with you. And then set your traps up. And the thing I like about this one is, like my other favourite figure 4, is it will go off by downward pressure, or upward. Well, it would go off sideways as well, but if you set this lower, you could make it almost like a treadle plate. Once it was stood on, it goes down, it'll go off. Whereas some figure 4s, especially like the one you see in the JJR SURVIVAL handbook, you could knock it with a stick as hard as you could downwards and it won't go off. But you knock it sideways and it will. If you look there, that is why, well, that is how it goes off on the downward motion. Because that stick is underneath there rather than on the side. You could actually put this on the side if you wanted to. This would quite easily go on the side here, but I think it's better like that. I'll set it off and I'll show you the parts. So in the picture I've actually seen, the bait is actually hanging from the top here, and then you hope the animal stands on that. But you could just tie your bait there. Obviously, sides blocked off as usual. Very easy to set as well. So these are the parts you've got. Let me just set this camera around a bit. So the parts you have, this is your bottom piece, and you can see the notch cut there, and that is what this one sits into. Top piece, so you could see that if it was sat like this, it would then create a figure 4. You see what I mean? See, nice and easy to set. Getting slightly caught in there, because it might be hitting these. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.